Imagine starting your day not with a jolt but with a gentle awakening, feeling truly refreshed and full of energy. Imagine that feeling lasting throughout your day, empowering you to tackle whatever comes your way with enthusiasm and ease. Many folks are discovering a simple secret, a way to tap into a wellspring of vitality that they never knew existed. To help them feel their best, it's about optimizing your body's natural functions, supporting its innate ability to thrive. This secret isn't a complicated diet or strenuous exercise, something that requires hours at the gym or a complete overhaul of your eating habits. It's a humble morning drink: apple cider vinegar and sea salt mixed in water, a surprisingly potent combination that can kickstart your system and set the stage for a day of vibrant health. For centuries, people have used vinegar and salt for their health-promoting properties, recognizing their potential to support overall well-being, and now we're rediscovering these benefits with modern understanding. Science is beginning to validate what our ancestors intuitively knew. This simple mixture hydrates your body, replenishing fluids lost overnight and preparing you for the day ahead. Supports digestion, helping to break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently, and gives your immune system a helpful boost. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your body's defenses. Seniors everywhere are looking for natural ways to maintain vitality and independence, seeking solutions that empower them to live life to the fullest. And this morning ritual is an easy, affordable addition to a healthy lifestyle. It's a small investment in your long-term well-being. It's not about a quick fix, a fleeting moment of energy that quickly fades away, but about consistently giving your body foundational support, building a strong and resilient foundation for optimal health. Starting your day with intention, taking a few moments for yourself to breathe, reflect, and center yourself, can set a positive tone for everything that follows, creating a ripple effect of positivity throughout your day. Preparing and sipping this nourishing drink is a small act of self-care, a moment to connect with your body and appreciate its needs, a reminder that your health is worth prioritizing, that you deserve to feel your best every single day. As you incorporate this habit, you might notice subtle changes, small shifts in your energy levels and overall well-being. More energy in the afternoons, a sustained vitality that carries you through the day, calmer digestion, a sense of ease and comfort after meals, and a greater sense of well-being, a feeling of wholeness and harmony within your body. These small improvements add up, leading to a more vibrant life. A life filled with energy, joy, and a deep sense of well-being. The best part? It's simple, accessible, and doesn't require a huge investment of time or money, and can become a cherished part of your daily routine, a ritual that you look forward to each and every morning. You don't need fancy ingredients, just a willingness to try something new, an open mind and a desire to feel your best. Give your body the support it deserves, nourish it from the inside out, and you may be surprised by how much better you feel. The positive transformation that can unfold with this simple habit. Sometimes the simplest habits make the biggest difference. The smallest changes can often lead to the most profound results. Why not start tomorrow? Begin your journey to a more vibrant and energized you, one simple drink at a time. Kickstart your day with a simple yet powerful health-boosting morning drink. It's incredibly easy to prepare and can make a significant difference in how you feel. This isn't just a beverage, it's a ritual, a small act of self-care that sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Look for the kind with the mother, as it contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes. Next, grab some high-quality sea salt. Opt for natural sea salt crystals, which are less processed and retain more of their natural mineral content. And of course, you'll need a glass of filtered or mineral water. The quality of your water matters, so choose wisely. Now let's get mixing. Use 8-12 ounces of warm or room temperature water. Avoid using cold water as it can be harder for your body to absorb. Add 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Start with 1 tablespoon and adjust to 2 as you become accustomed to the taste. Follow with just a pinch, 1/8, 1/4 teaspoon, of sea salt. The salt helps to balance the acidity and provides essential minerals. Stir the mixture well until the salt dissolves completely. This ensures an even distribution of flavor and minerals. Optionally, for an extra zing, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This not only enhances the flavor but also provides a boost of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. Remember, taste is subjective, so adjust the amounts to suit your personal preferences. Feel free to experiment until you find the perfect balance for your palate. It's best to drink this concoction through a straw to protect your teeth from the potentially damaging effects of the vinegar's acidity. This small precaution helps you enjoy all the wonderful benefits of this drink without having to worry about any negative impact on your dental health. To truly reap the rewards, make this drink a regular and consistent part of your morning routine. Ideally, consume it on an empty stomach before you have your breakfast. This timing optimizes its effects. Doing so allows your body to absorb all the beneficial nutrients and minerals most effectively, setting the stage for a day of wellness. Consider it your first act of nourishment, a gentle way to awaken your system and prepare it for the day ahead. The entire process only takes a few minutes of your time, making it an easy addition to even the busiest of schedules. But those few minutes can set you on a path to feeling more energized, comfortable, and ready to tackle whatever the day may bring. Remember, consistency is absolutely key. Your body will undoubtedly thank you for this gentle yet powerful daily support. So why not start tomorrow? Give it a try and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the positive impact it has on your overall well-being. The quality of your ingredients is absolutely crucial for this morning drink. It's not just about what you're putting into your body, but also the form in which you're consuming it. Think of it as laying the foundation for a day filled with energy and vitality. When selecting your apple cider vinegar, always choose raw, unfiltered, and unpasteurized varieties. Look for the organic label to ensure it's free from unnecessary additives. What you're really looking for is apple cider vinegar with the mother, that cloudy cobweb-like substance floating at the bottom of the bottle. This is where all the magic happens, as it's full of beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and proteins. Be sure to avoid clear processed vinegars, which may be tempting due to their lower price point. These clear vinegars lack the health-promoting components found in raw, unfiltered options. The mother is removed during processing, stripping away many of the benefits. Next, let's talk about salt. Use high-quality unrefined sea salt. Excellent choices include Celtic or Himalayan salt, both known for their rich mineral content. Definitely avoid processed table salt, which often contains additives and has been stripped of its natural minerals. Unrefined salts retain essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are vital for numerous bodily functions. They play a crucial role in supporting hydration, maintaining proper electrolyte balance, and ensuring optimal nerve function. The water you use matters too. It's the base of your drink, so make it count. For the best results, opt for filtered or mineral water. This helps you avoid potential contaminants that can often be found in tap water. Clean, pure water ensures that your drink is as wholesome and beneficial as possible, allowing you to fully enjoy its revitalizing effects. These high-quality ingredients work synergistically together to maximize the potential health benefits of your morning drink. Investing in good quality ingredients is truly an investment in your long-term health and vitality. Your body deserves the purest, most nourishing elements, and the most natural, unprocessed forms of these substances are the best way to deliver them. This careful attention to detail transforms what might seem like a simple drink into a potent and effective wellness tool. So, don't cut corners when it comes to your health. It's an investment that always pays off in the long run. By using the right ingredients, you'll not only feel the difference, but you'll also be setting yourself up for a healthier and more vibrant day. Make every single sip count towards a healthier, happier you. One of the first benefits you'll notice from this morning drink is improved hydration. Sea salt provides essential electrolytes, helping your body absorb and retain water more effectively. Proper hydration means your cells function optimally, nutrients are transported efficiently, and you feel more energetic. Many seniors report feeling more alert and less fatigued after starting this ritual. Electrolytes are vital for nerve impulses, muscle contractions, and a healthy heartbeat. As we age, replenishing these minerals becomes even more important. This drink offers deep cellular hydration, leading to a natural boost in energy. It's a simple way to combat fatigue and support your body's need for water and minerals. Start your day hydrated and you'll feel the difference. It's a foundational step for lasting wellness. Apple cider vinegar and sea salt water can do wonders for your digestion. ACV stimulates stomach acid and digestive enzymes, promoting efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. The acetic acid in ACV has antimicrobial properties, helping balance gut bacteria and reduce bloating or discomfort. Many people find their digestion becomes more regular and comfortable with this daily habit. Sea salt also supports digestive health by aiding stomach acid production and nutrient absorption. Together, these ingredients prime your digestive system for the day ahead. Better digestion means better nutrient uptake and more energy. It's a supportive start for your entire system. Enjoy meals with greater comfort and confidence. This morning drink is a powerful ally for your immune system and muscles. Raw apple cider vinegar supports a healthy gut, where much of your immune system resides. A balanced gut helps your body fight off illness more effectively. Sea salt provides trace minerals like zinc and magnesium, vital for immune function and muscle support. Electrolytes from the salt help prevent cramps and keep muscles working smoothly. Some add a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Consistently nourishing your body with this elixir builds resilience and supports an active lifestyle. Strong immunity and well-supported muscles mean you can enjoy life to the fullest. It's a proactive step for long-term health and independence. Make it part of your daily routine. The benefits of this drink show on the outside too. Improved hydration keeps skin plump and glowing, while ACV's antibacterial properties may help clear skin from within. Minerals in ACV and sea salt support collagen production for strong nails and healthy hair. Many notice stronger nails and shinier hair after making this drink a habit. When your body is well nourished, it shows in your appearance. This is natural beauty from the inside out. Enjoy the bonus of looking as good as you feel. It's normal to have questions about this drink, especially regarding salt and vinegar. The amount of sea salt used is small and provides beneficial minerals, but consult your doctor if you have high blood pressure or need to limit sodium. Drinking through a straw and rinsing your mouth with water helps protect your teeth from vinegar's acidity. ACV is acidic but may have an alkalizing effect once metabolized, helping balance your body's pH. The mother in raw ACV is safe and beneficial, full of proteins and friendly bacteria. If you have a sensitive stomach, start with a smaller amount and increase gradually. This drink isn't a substitute for medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider if you have health conditions or take medications. Your doctor can guide you on what's best for your unique needs. Open communication ensures your wellness journey is safe and effective. Adding apple cider vinegar and sea salt water to your morning routine is a simple, powerful step for better health. This drink boosts hydration, energy, digestion, immunity, and even supports hair, skin, and nails. It's natural, affordable, and easy to prepare, just a few minutes each morning. Choose high-quality ingredients for maximum benefit. Remember the real-life stories of seniors who found more energy and comfort with this habit. Start slowly, listen to your body, and be patient. Wellness is a journey. Share your experience and inspire others to try this simple ritual. Taking charge of your health is empowering at any age. This morning drink is one tool to help you live a long, active, joyful life. Raise your glass to a healthier, more vibrant you. Embrace this easy habit and feel the difference. Each new day is a chance to support your well-being. Your body will thank you for it.